everyone! Welcome back to my channel! My name is Jessica Reyes, or you can call me Ikang for short. At syempre kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please hit that subscribe button and bell button para ma-notify ka sa lahat ng mga videos ko. And for today's video, it's morning. Yes. Papakain na tayo today. I will give you tips what I do sa mga anak ko ngayong summer. Anong ginagawa namin? Aside na nandito lang sa bahay, ayan, para alam niyo. And more about anong taon ba dapat ini-enroll ang mga anak natin, mga toddlers, yan, para sa lahat ng mommies itong vlog na ito. Kung mapapansin mo, ayan, wala akong foundation, wala po as in. Yabang. Nagkilay lang ako tsaka lipstick kasi bawal pang mag-foundation. It is my day 4 of yung removing my warts. Kung mapapanood nyo man yun sa aking next vlog. Ayan, may mga dot-dot lang, parang kinagat ng langgam. Pero, medyo umuokay na. Kasi maraming akong warts sa mukha. Hindi sa mukha, pero may warts, diba? Tsaka. Kaya, yan, hindi defend. Super defensive. How many stars? How many stars? 1 and 2 stars. Yay! Hi! On our way home. Bye! Uwi na tayo. Saan tayo? Okay. Time naman para kay Enzo na siya pupunta sa kanyang summer class for reading and writing. Say hi, baby! What's your name? Enzo. Enzo what? What? 4 years old. What will you do today? School today. Okay. Do you like school today? Yes. Are you happy? ayan, makikipag-usap tayo sa isang representative ng Kids Center to ask more questions about anong age ba dapat ini-enroll ang mga toddlers or anak natin sa mga school. Come on, let's go! Sorry, here. Good morning, teacher. What's your name, teacher?
Good morning, Mom. Hi, I'm Miss Mary Joy David.
Americano. Miss
Mrs. Mary Joy David.
Yes, for today we will ask a few questions lang about ano ba dapat ang age na dapat i-enroll yung ating mga anak. Ayan, para sa mga mommies out there na nanonood today, this is all for you. Yes, teacher Joy.
Kids Center Villas offers a toddler training class for kids ages 1 to 3 years old para po sa mga bata na mayroong 1 hanggang 3 taong gulang. We call it the formation stage, yung pinakamahalagang age wherein matuto po yung mga bata. Kung pwede po sila matuto na mabilis. Yung mga kids.
Wow. Hindi ko alam yun. Akala ko pag 1 to 3, walang alam, yung hindi nagikinig. So, totoo ba yun? Possible yun?
Yes, kasi po, yun po yung tinatawag natin na formation stage. Yun po yung age na mold sila, na mabilis sila maturuan. Parang pag-compare mo po siya sa isang lupa, parang fertile soil. Parang mabilis siyang taniman, and sure ka na tubo yung tiyanin mo doon kasi fertile yung soil.
And another question, ayan. Siyempre sa mga nanonood, siyempre curious sila, magkano kaya ang per month or tuition dito sa Kids Center?
Yan, sa atin pong toddler training class, 1,500 pesos po in a month. That's monthly payment po nila. All materials provided except for their workbook kasi may workbook po tayo. Yung workbook po nila, yan. This is their workbook. Worth 350 pesos. That's good for 1 school year po na workbook nila.
Wow, mura yun, best. Diba? 1,500 per month. And, ayan, bukod sa toddler class, ano naman po yung ibang mga ino-offer ng Kids Center?
And we are happy to announce that this year, this is school year 2019-2020, will offer nursery class for kids ages 4 years old. Yan. So, sa may mga anak po na 4 years old, pwede niyo pong i-enroll ang yung pong mga bata sa ating pong nursery class.
Okay, ayan. Siyempre pa, huwag na natin pahabain to. Please do invite every parents and mommies out there na mag-inquire dito.
Yan. Additional po, we also offer one-on-one tutorial for preschool and grade school. So, one-on-one po yan. And we also offer applied behavioral analysis therapy for kids with special needs, with autism, with speech difficulty, and with behavioral problems. So you can visit us here at SR Arcade Building, Poblacion Zone 2, Villas, Pangasinan. Same building with Goldilocks. So hope to see you soon po.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Joy. Bye! Where did you go? Say bye-bye, Reese. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And that's it for today's video. Sana sana nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayo para sa mga mommies out there na nag-iisip kung saan i-enroll yung mga anak nila, yung mga toddler class, pwede pa lang i-enroll ng 1 to 3 years old. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Say bye-bye!
Bye!